It has been 15 days of conversation and this salesperson is stressed as he is unable to understand the intent of his current lead. According to a survey by HubSpot, 64% of salespeople believe that emails lack the context to convey the intended tone accurately, further emphasizing the potential for misinterpretations. If you too are one of many suffering, Team Inogic Professional Services has got you covered with its AI application for buyer behavior analysis. The application implements the concept of sentiment analysis for enhanced sales and improved customer relationships. Built using Power Automate and Azure OpenAI Services, the application reviews and analyzes the comments from client conversations on emails, chat messages, text SMS, etc. The sentiments derived are displayed in the CRM and individual client accounts. These are categorized as negative, positive, or neutral and visualized on the timeline, analyzing the behavioral patterns of clients from time to time. This application of AI helps in analyzing if the client would convert, would be a long-term partner, and also helps in strengthening the client relationship. Using an additional application of keyword tracking also developed by Inogic, client emails can be traced for keywords and similar meaning words to analyze the conversation better. Artificial intelligence can help businesses with content generation, email composition, data summarization, interactive client communication, process flow recommendation, effective automation, reporting, analysis, and more. The professional services team of Inogic helps develop such AI-driven applications with integrated AI models provided by Azure OpenAI for Dynamics 365 and Power Platform. It also designs and develops AI applications for clients using Microsoft Copilot in Dynamics 365 Sales, Customer Service, Field Service, Marketing, Power Apps, and Microsoft Copilot Studio. Inogic Professional Services helps in taking care of a lot of important things for Dynamics 365 and Power Platform application. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and team up with the experienced and expert Professional Services Division of Inogic and rewrite a successful path for your business with Azure OpenAI and Copilot.